yazi ngiyacabanga ne. I'm thinking about the state of affairs, the way izinto zingakhona nje, like children are just naughty, they're doing whatever they like, they're becoming more ungovernable, fathers are absent, there's no structure, the police are corrupt, they're just doing whatever they like. Befundisa mamanga, they just rise up in the morning. Izinyanga, you can go to inyanga laphayana, thola ikhambi lokuthwala, izithwalo, like everything is just kulula nje man. Just evil seems to just have its own it's a leeway, like a freeway of evil everywhere. Negative. Abafazi badivorce amadoda, abafazi ubhorekile emshadweni, therefore she decided she no longer wants this, But when you look at all these things, you realize with man, this is into lazy. This system, they are components of a system evukayo ngamandla, ifuna ukubuildiza or rather to say ifuna ukureplace a certain system. When I'm overwrite a code, ukuthi okay bengifuna ukwenza kanje, but no, you know what, let me overwrite it with this one, ngiya replace one. So I'm thinking ukuthi why don't government incorporate like abefundisi, izinyanga, abaprofet, abathandazi, abantu bakamoya yabo, like thola ukuthi mhlambe maybe umuntu onjengo a prophet, like maybe inyanga maybe fana no 2+2 isebenza mhlambe Department of Justice as a fact checker, ukuthi umuntu mengena laphayana efike ezothi kuzothethwa icala, kuyamamela bese bethi 2+2 confirm, 2+2 angene lapha endombeni yakhe, ashaya amathamba akhe asho athi hayi no, awuqinisile lo, kwenzeka kanjalo ngempela. So that in our judicial system we have a proper, like umuntu masigweba siyagweba bra, yes, siyagweba because you are truly guilty, guilty ngempela, yazi ulenzile lecala wena, nangu nomoya uyaconfirm, fikile umthandazi malala phezulu wathanda